Hello students, today we will read page 83 of class 8th Social and Political Life, chapter 7 Understanding Marginalization. Who are Adivasis? Adivasi, the term literally means original inhabitants, are communities who lived and often continue to live in close association with forest. Around 8% of India's population is Adivasi, and many of India's most important mining and industrial centers are located in Adivasi areas. Jamshedpur, Rourkela, Bokaro, and Bhilai, among others. Adivasi are not a homogeneous population. There are over 500 different Adivasi groups in India. Adivasis are particularly numerous in states like Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, and in the northeastern states of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Tripura. A state like Odisha is home to more than 60 different tribal groups. Adivasi societies are also most distinct between their because distinct because there often very little hierarchy among them. This makes them radically different from communities organized under principle of jati, varna, caste, or those that were ruled by kings. Adivasis practice a range of tribal religions that are different from Islam, Hinduism, and Christianity. These often involves the worship of ancestors, village, and nature spirits, the last associated with and residing in various sites in the landscape. Mountain spirits, river spirits, animal spirits, etc. The village spirits are often worshipped at specific sacred groves within the village boundary, while the ancestral ones are usually worshipped at home. Additionally, Adivasis have always been influenced by different surrounding religions like Shakta, Buddhist, Vaishnav, Bhakti, and Christianity. Simultaneously, Adivasi religions themselves have influenced dominant religions of the empire around them. Tribals are also referred to as Adivasis. You may have heard the term scheduled tribe. Scheduled tribes is the term used for Adivasi used by the Indian government in various official documents. There is an official list of tribes. Scheduled tribes are often grouped together with scheduled caste in the category scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. So now we will understand this page in Hindi. आदिवासी कौन होते हैं? आदिवासी शब्द का मतलब होता है मूल निवासी, यानी जो लोग इस देश में सबसे पहले से रहते आए हैं। ये लोग ज्यादातर जगहों और पहाड़ी इलाकों में रहते हैं और आज भी कई आदिवासी वहां रहते हैं। भारत की लगभग 8% जनसंख्या आदिवासी है। कई खाद्यान्न और इंडस्ट्रियल क्षेत्र जमशेदपुर, रूरकेली, बोकारो, भिलाई आदिवासी इलाकों में है। भारत में 500 से ज्यादा आदिवासी जनजातियां हैं। ये राज्यों में पाए जाते हैं, जैसे छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड, मध्य प्रदेश, ओडिशा, गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, राजस्थान, आंध्र प्रदेश, वेस्ट बंगाल, नॉर्थ ईस्ट राज्य जैसे असम, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, मेघालय, मिजोरम, नागालैंड, मणिपुर, त्रिपुरा। ओडिशा में ही 60 से ज्यादा आदिवासी जनजातियां रहती हैं। आदिवासी समाज में ज्यादा ऊंच नीच नहीं होती। लोग लगभग बराबरी के स्तर पर रहते हैं, इसलिए यह जाति प्रथा, जाति वर्णा पर आधारित समाज से अलग होते हैं। आदिवासी अपने अलग अलग ट्राइब धर्मों का पालन करते हैं। यह पूजा करते हैं पुरखों की, प्रकृति के देवताओं की, जैसे पहाड़, नदी, जानवर। गांव के देवता सेक्रेड ग्रूव में पूजे जाते हैं। पुरखों की पूजा घर में होती है। इनके धर्मों पर बुद्ध, शक्ता, वैष्णव, भक्ति और क्रिश्चियनिटी का प्रभाव भी पड़ता है। फिर ट्राइबल्स को आदिवासी भी कहा जाता है। सरकारी डॉक्यूमेंट्स में आदिवासी को शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब एसटी कहा जाता है। शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब एक ही ऑफिशियल लिस्ट में होते हैं। अब मैंने आपके लिए नोट्स भी बनाए हैं, पॉइंट्स इस पेज के, ये देख लेते हैं। नोट्स टॉपिक, हु आर आदिवासीज? द वर्ड आदिवासी मीन्स original inhabitants. Adivasi are communities who lived in India from very early times, mainly in forest and hilly areas, and many of them still lives close to forest. Population in areas, about 8% of India's population is Adivasi. Many mining and industrial centers like Jamshedpur, Roorkeli, Bokaro and Bhilai are located in Adivasi areas. These are more than 500. There are more than 500 different Adivasi groups in India. Adivasi lives in states like Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal. Northeastern states like Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Manipur and Tripura. Odisha alone has more than 60 tribal groups. So, social structure, Adivasi society is not very हियरार्किकल, मतलब ऊंच नीच नहीं होती, सब बराबर होते हैं, इसको कहते हैं इट्स नॉट वेरी हियरार्किकल. देयर इज लेस इनइक्वालिटी अमंग पीपल. दिस मेक्स देम डिफरेंट फ्रॉम सोसाइटीज बेस्ड ऑन कास्ट सिस्टम, जाति वर्ना और रूल्ड बाय किंग्स. Religion and beliefs. Adivasi follow tribal religions which are different from Hinduism, Islam and Christianity. They worship ancestors, nature spirits like mountain spirits, river spirits and animal spirits. Village spirits are worshipped in the sacred groups while ancestral spirits are worshipped at home. Their religions are influenced by the nearby religions like Buddhism, Shakta, Vaishnav Bhakti and Christianity. Important terms. Tribals are also called Adivasis. In official government records, Adivasi are called Scheduled Tribe, ST. Scheduled tribes are listed officially by the government. Then exam tips. Adivasi original inhabitants live close to forests, less hierarchy, worship nature and ancestors. Official name Scheduled Tribe. So thank you students. Today we have read page 83 of chapter 7.